Hello, Pinoy Accountant here. So, quick guide lang kung paano i-navigate yung ating bagong website. So, all you need to do, punta kayo sa inyong web browser and go to our website. Ayan, is pinoyaccountant.com. So, once you go to our website, makita nyo at ating homepage. So, makita nyo dito yung tabs natin, home, course list, donate, and login. So, kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-register, i-click nyo muna itong button dito na register. So, i-click natin, register. So, yung nakaganda sa ating website is, aside na it is free, it is user-friendly lang. So, sa pag-register, ito yung mga kailangan natin ilagay. First name, last name, yung username nyo, and email. Ito yung very important dahil if ever you will need to log in, you can use your username or your email. At pag nakalimutan naman ninyo ang inyong password, kailangan nyo yung inyong email so that makakapag-send kami ng reset password. So, subukan natin mag-register yung first name. Lagay ninyo. For example, yung first name nyo is Pinoy, last name is Accountant. So, username, gawa kayo na inyong username. For example, Pinoy Accountant. Ayan. And then email. So, be sure lang to remember your username and your email. Example, email is pinoyaccountant@gmail.com. And again, yung password niyo, be sure na you remember your password nyo. Kasi once nakapag-register na tayo, automatic tayo makapag-login na sa ating account. So, gawa kayo ng password niyo. Be sure lang na it's combination of may uppercase, may lowercase, may number, and may special character so that it will be hard. It would be a difficult password. Kumbaga. Ayan. So, it's a combination, again, uppercase, lowercase, and numbers, and a special character. Ayan. So, dapat mag-match yung password nyo tsaka dito sa password confirmation. So, ayan. Once tapos na kayo, i-click nyo lang yung register and automatic na kayo mapupunta sa ating dashboard. So, automatic na kayo makapag-register kapag complete yung details na nilagay ninyo at hindi pa nag-exist yung username and yung email sa ating database. So, click nyo lang again yung register. So, once nakapag-register na kayo, automatic pala kayo mapupunta dito sa ating dashboard. So, you can view yung mga enrolled courses ninyo, active courses. So, if wala pa kayong enrolled courses, punta kayo dito sa course list. Click ninyo. And then, maglo-load dito yung mga courses na available. So, again, for now, yung available natin is just itong ano pa lang, the BIR Books of Accounts for non-VAT. So, if you would want to enroll, i-click nyo lang yung enroll course. So, yun, enrolled successfully. So, makita nyo yung progress nyo dito, 0% complete pa. So, yung about the course, ano yung mga contents niya. Ayan. So, if you would want to start na, click nyo lang itong start learning. So, start na kayo. Ito yung mga courses natin and then click nyo lang yung play na button. Yan. So, ito na yung topic is the introduction to the 4 books of accounts for non-VAT. So, ayan. So, magpi-play na yan. So, once na-complete ninyo, you can mark as complete or automatic na yan actually. If matatapos na yung video, automatic yan. Magpo-proceed kayo sa next na video. Yan. Hintayin natin example tayo na matapos yan. Yung ating first video. So, yung first video is the introduction. So, yan. So, next natin. So, click nyo itong mark as complete. So, manual pala dapat i-click nyo yung mark as complete. And then, ayan, automatic na kayo magpo-proceed sa next topic na how to register books of accounts online using BIR Aurus. So nakita niyo yung first na video is may check mark na. So pwede niyo yang balikan. Actually, pwede niyo balikan. I-click niyo ulit. Ayan. So kita nyo, yung progress nyo is 1 out of 8. So 13% complete na kayo sa ating course na ito. So click nyo yung next or you can click itong mga topics dito. So you can also skip topics if alam na ninyo yung topics about that. So ito yung second video. Click nyo lang yung play. Yan. So mag-start na yung ating topic. Yan. So once natapos na, hindi natin matapos. So, ganun lang. Madali lang yung ating website. So, it's very friendly. So, once natapos na yan, ayan. So, yung gagawin ninyo, subukan natin i-click tong next if i-mark nyo ba as complete. Next natin. Ayan. So, okay lang pala na yung next na yung pindutin ninyo. So, aside from marking it as complete, pag ni-next ninyo, automatic na siyang mag-check mark. So, subukan natin. Mag-play ulit tayo. Ayan. So, next topic na. So, click natin yung next. Ayan. So, hindi niya chinek mark kasi hindi niyo natapos yung video tapos clinic nyo lang yung next na button. So, yun lang yung ating video. Ayan. So, abangan nyo. Marami pa tayong upcoming na mga courses. So, yan. And of course, huwag nyo kalimutan i-click itong donate na tab so that you can send your help naman for us to continue again our mission to provide itong mga free na online courses, especially itong mga BIR and accounting, bookkeeping na tutorials. So that makapagpatuloy tayo sa paggawa, I mean, ng mga free videos. Ayan, so click nyo lang yan. So scan nyo lang to, itong QR code. You can use your GCash, Maya, mga digital wallets ninyo. Kahit yung mga banks, BPI, BDO, pwede nyo nang i-scan. May option dyan na i-scan yung QR to send money to other accounts. Yan. Or to pay, pwede din to pay. Use the QR code, pwede din nyo yan gamitin. And if you would want, may donors tayo dito na part ng donors page. So if you would want to leave a message or gusto nyo mag-promote ng something ng inyong business, ayan, email nyo lang dito sa donate@pinoyaccountant.com and ipopost ko yung mga messages nyo dito sa ating mga donors. So again, thank you for your generosity and for helping in our mission. So again, ito yung ating website, pinoyaccountant.com. So yan, scan nyo to, QR code. And thank you again and I'll see you again next time.